everyone, Tim the Plane Man here out at the field with the Painted Eagle. This is the maiden flight of this plane, so I'm going to show you putting it together and then we're going to fly. Start with the spars. The assembly is really good. Alright, now we need to put the motors on. Motors are easy, green for right, red for left. Assembled. Isn't that easy? So I pre-installed, so we've got two 6,000 milliamp hour 6S batteries, and they will be connected in parallel, so that we're still running 6S, but we've got 12,000 milliamp hours. And I've got another battery in here just for the weight. It's so heavy, it's so big a plane that it needs this much extra weight just to get the center of gravity right. It's a big plane. Always test the battery in and test the battery out. Yeah, 4.2, perfect. Okay, those batteries are great. Oh, I know what I've missed. The airspeed sensor. Remove before flight tag and put that on. The pitot tube cover should be on when the plane is powered up. Airspeed calibrated. Okay. Airspeed calibrated. Now what I'd like to do is just test the controls on the bench here. Make sure we've got ailerons, right, left, elevator, up, down, rudder, right, left. So we're good there. So what we're going to do is we're going to take off in loiter mode, go up to about 50 meters up in the air, and then switch to fly-by-wire A. The emergency procedure will be to switch back to stabilize mode if necessary, or worst case, to land, which I have set up on button number 6. Otherwise, I'm going to switch back to loiter mode after I fly in fly-by-wire A and bring it back down myself under manual control.